Start with a slip knot and chain 5. Now insert your hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. This will form a ring. Now chain 4 and 1 single crochet in the circle. Repeat this, chain 4 and 1 single crochet in the circle. Repeat this until you have 5 petals. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, and while making the slip stitch, change the color and secure your yarn, and you can cut off this yarn. Make 7 double crochets in this space. One front post single crochet in the stitch from the previous round, that is this. Now repeat this, 7 double crochets in this space and 1 front post single crochet. Once you reach the end, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.